chose to partner with United Students to redevelop Castle Leazes because we've got a very long track record of working together. Over 20 years we've been working as a university with Unite. It also gives the ability for us to access their expertise, particularly when it comes to the planning and the design and what the modern student experience should look like, which is not something we could have done on our own. And that partnership will also give an income stream to the university which helps with the longer term financial sustainability of the university as well.
Working together, we're able to deliver modernised student accommodation. We're able to support the university in its sustainability targets whilst allowing the university to focus on delivering that world-class academic experience to its students. Unite Students brings to the partnership our best-in-class operating platform, our expertise in student support and student welfare, and also our extensive development capability and expertise in the delivery of student accommodation.
I think the joint venture with the United Students is really significant for Newcastle University. It gives us the opportunity to modernise the student accommodation as part of this redevelopment. And having high quality student accommodation is really important in terms of attracting students from across the UK and from the rest of the world.